Welcome to ST Brainwave, your trusted platform for exam-focused learning. Let's begin your smart learning journey right now. First in India, general achievements. Question 1. Who was the first president of India? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C. Rajendra Prasad. He was the first and only president to serve 2 full terms. Question 2. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. ऑप्शन बी जवाहरलाल नेहरू. ही सर्व्ड एज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर 1947 से 1964 तक. थर्ड क्वेश्चन. हु वाज द फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया? चूज द करेक्ट वन इन 3 seconds. ऑप्शन सी लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन, लास्ट ब्रिटिश गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ फ्री इंडिया. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. हु वाज द फर्स्ट इंडियन गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया? चूज द करेक्ट वन इन 3 seconds. Option B. C. Raja Gopalachari. He succeeded Lord Mountbatten in 1948. Question 5. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. C. Indira Gandhi. She became PM in 1966. Question 6. Who was the first woman President of India? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. ऑप्शन बी प्रतिभा पाटिल. शी सर्व फ्रॉम 2007 से 2012 तक. क्वेश्चन 7. हु वाज द फर्स्ट इंडियन टू ज्वाइन ICS? नाउ IAS में कन्वर्ट हो चुका है. चूज द करेक्ट वन इन 3 seconds. ऑप्शन ए सत्येंद्र नाथ टैगोर. ही ज्वाइंड ICS इन 1863. क्वेश्चन 8. हु वाज द फर्स्ट इंडियन IPS ऑफिसर? चूज द करेक्ट वन इन 3 seconds. ऑप्शन सी CV नरसिम्हा 1948 IPS बैच के टॉपर. क्वेश्चन 9. हु वाज द फर्स्ट वुमेन IPS ऑफिसर ऑफ इंडिया? चूज द करेक्ट वन इन 3 seconds. ए किरण बेदी ज्वाइंड IPS इन 1972. क्वेश्चन 10. हु वाज द फर्स्ट चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया? चूज द करेक्ट वन इन 3 seconds. ऑप्शन ए हरिलाल जे कानिया. ही टुक ऑफिस इन 1950. क्वेश्चन 11. हु वाज द फर्स्ट इंडियन टू विन नोबेल प्राइज? चूज द करेक्ट वन इन 3 seconds. ऑप्शन ए रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर. ही won in literature 1913. Question 12. Who was the first Indian woman to win Nobel Prize? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B Mother Teresa. Peace Prize in 1979. Question 13. Who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize in Science? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C CV Raman. Physics Nobel in 1930 for Raman effect. Question 14. Who was the first Indian to go to space? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option C Rakesh Sharma flew in 1984 on Soyuz T-11. Question 15. Who was the first woman of Indian origin to go to space? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A Kalpana Chawla flew on NASA's space shuttle in 1997. Question 16. Who was the first woman chief minister in India? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A Suchita Kripalani, CM of Uttar Pradesh in 1963. Question 17. Who was the first field marshal of India? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A Sam Manekshaw, promoted in 1973 after 1971 war victory. Question 18. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A Bachendri Pal reached the summit in 1984. Question 19. Who was the first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B C Gopalacharya received in 1954. Question 20. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A Sarojini Naidu, Governor of UP in 1947. Question 21. Who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar served from 1952 to 1956. Question 22. Who was the first Indian in International Court of Justice? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B. Nagendra Singh became ICJ president in 1984. Question 23. Who was the first woman judge of Supreme Court? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option A. Fatima Bibi, appointed in 1989. Question 24. Who was the first Vice President of India? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B. S. Radhakrishnan, served from 1952 to 1962. Question 25. Who was the first woman to win Miss World from India? Choose the correct one in 3 seconds. Option B. Reita Faria, won Miss World in 1966. That's it for today's quiz. If you like the video, do like it and share it with others. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then, keep learning with ST Brainwave.